I'm back at my short table. Remember yesterday we talked about things that were tall and things that were short. So for example, we talked about how maybe the yellow marker was taller than the pink crayon. The pink crayon is shorter than the yellow marker. Well, today we're going to be talking about the words longest and shortest, just like Bartleby. He was a very long dog, remember? So let's start with an easy one. I have two objects. I have a screwdriver and I have a battery. So the important thing to remember when you're doing, remember when we were doing tall and short, I said make sure that you're laying them on a flat surface, okay? Well, when you are measuring short and long, you want to make sure that you're laying them on a flat surface, but that you're also lining them up against, so that they're both at the same starting point, okay? Because some things might be very, very close in measurement, in long, if they're to see if they're longer or shorter. So we want to make sure that they are lined up against something. Sorry, I'm trying to do this the right way in the camera. So which one of these objects, the screwdriver or the battery, is longer? Longer. The screwdriver is longer, right? The battery is shorter. Longer, shorter. And if I hold them up to the camera closer, you can see, remember, I'm going to line them up right so that they're both at the same starting point. And you can see that the screwdriver is definitely longer than the battery. Okay, now I have a stapler and a crayon. Now I'm going to line them up so they both have the same starting point, okay? The pink crayon is against my hand and the stapler is against my hand. Which one of these is shorter? I'm going to hold them up here. Which one is shorter? If you said the crayon is shorter, you are right. The stapler is longer. It sticks out further. It sticks out more, so it's longer. Good. I have a marker and a paper clip. Now remember, they're both going to be at the same starting point. Lay them on the table so you can see too. That one's pretty easy. Which one is longer? The marker or the paper clip? Which one's longer? The marker is longer, the paper clip is shorter. Good. Now remember Bartleby? Remember my book jacket? I said we can spread Bartleby out. I don't even know if I can get him in the camera all the way. Oh, I can. So I'm gonna put Bartleby here. Okay. And I'm actually gonna fold this page over so I can make my next object into the same starting point, right? So here's the end of Bartleby, and here is my popsicle stick. Which one is shorter? Is Bartleby shorter or is my popsicle stick shorter? If you said popsicle stick, you are right, because Bartleby is super duper long. It would be hard to find something longer than Bartleby. My next object is a tricky one. I have two objects here from the kitchen. One is a spatula and one is a wooden spoon. Now remember, when you're doing longer and shorter, you have to make sure that you line them up together. So I'm gonna line up both ends the same. Oh, one is slightly longer than the other. Let me hold them up so you can see. One, I actually can put it right in front of it so you can see it better. One is slightly longer. Which one is a little bit longer? The spatula or the wooden spoon? The spatula is longer. Good. What if I did this? Now I'm standing them up. Which one is shorter and which one is taller? Spatula is taller and the wooden spoon is shorter. And if I lay them this way, my spatula is longer and my wooden spoon is shorter. Okay, so now I want you to go find 2 objects around your house and tell me which one is longer or shorter. And you can either write a sentence. A couple of you wrote sentences yesterday. I was super impressed. Or you can just have mom or dad write it in the comments. Like Talia said, the spoon is shorter, or the knife is longer than the spoon. So a sentence like that. Okay? So shorter and longer today. Shorter and longer. Just like Bartleby the dog was longer than mostly anything else in the story, right? Okay. Can't wait to see what objects you come up with and which one is longer and which one is shorter. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.